Hello, my name is Jeff. Welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2004 SLK320. The 320 is the V6 version. They also had a 4-cylinder. With the V6, you get some extras. A little bit different body cladding in the bumpers and the side skirts. You get power seats. You get nice wood grain interior and some other extras. This is a really low mileage example, 30,000 miles. Was kept in Naples, Florida for the last 12 years by the same owner. So really well taken care of, driven very, very sparingly. The body is exceptional. The interior, it's all original. Very nice leather. It's got power heated seats. It's got the nice wood grain and leather steering wheel. This is all real wood. It's Bose sound system. And left and right temperature controls for the climate control. It has stability control. That's a very good safety feature, as well as built-in roll bars. Everything is just pristine on this vehicle. Nice 5-spoke wheels. Has brand new Michelin tires. You can see when they were mounted. Take a look at the CARFAX. It's got the power retractable hardtop. Very desirable feature. And the passenger side is power as well. It's got a wood grain and leather shift knob. Take a look at the photos of the engine compartment. It still looks brand new. There's no oxidation or any rust or anything. It just looks fantastic. This vehicle runs very well, drives excellent. This is the last of the original SLK design. They were pretty simple automobiles. So this is a nice little roadster to have in your garage. Again, very low mileage, all original condition, and these are pretty low maintenance, and the engines are basically indestructible. You could drive this car for a long, long time. I think we have it priced probably below market. We bought it at a fair price, and we figured we would pass it on. So it's a good opportunity to own a mint low mileage roadster at a very reasonable price. Thanks for your time. Thank you for looking in. Feel free to give us a call. I would love to tell you more about this vehicle.